Once again, in her case, as she's presenting with new and worsening back pain, one has to rule out cord compression before making decision about her next step in therapy. With her progression of the disease while on aromatase inhibitor in such a short period of time, her cancer seems to have de novo resistance to hormonal therapy, and certainly with progression within less than 6 months of her chemotherapy, she does seem to have resistance to anthracycline as well as paclitaxel therapy. Once one makes a decision about her risk of cord compression and need for any local therapy like surgery or radiation therapy, then decision can be made about systemic therapy. Just because she has progressed on aromatase inhibitor does not necessarily rule out other options for hormonal therapy. And depending on the extent of her metastatic disease, one could still consider other options like tamoxifen, fulvestrant, or a combination with everolimus, which is a mTOR inhibitor. It all depends on extent of her metastatic disease, her symptoms, as well as how fast the disease is progressing.